Hey guys, decided to check out the food forest, see what I'm dealing with in the spring. All the nettings come down. I can't even walk through the whole food forest. Rosemary's doing pretty good. Rosemary plant, got a couple lavender plants. Okay, we're not doing netting next year. We'll be fixing the trellis. My little bench stayed. Oh, we have some work. Okay, more in 2026. Just a quick check of our onions that we have overwintering. We'll see how they do this spring. Peppermint. Lemon balm. Lemon balm. Be sure to subscribe for more 2026 garden.